Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to tune a BMW M4. First, it's crucial to understand your car's current performance. A baseline dyno run can provide valuable data showing its horsepower and torque figures. Next, research reputable tuners and high-quality parts specifically designed for the M4. Finally, clearly define your tuning goals, whether you're aiming for track dominance, enhanced street performance, or a balanced daily driver. This foundational work ensures a successful and satisfying tuning journey. For significant power increases, an ECU flash or a piggyback tuning module is a common first step, often adding 50 to 100 horsepower. Upgrading your exhaust system from downpipes to a catback improves exhaust gas flow and delivers a more aggressive sound. Many enthusiasts also opt for an aftermarket intake system, which can provide a small power bump and a more satisfying induction noise. These modifications work together to unlock more of your M4's potential. To complement increased power, enhancing your M4's handling is essential. Installing coilovers or lowering springs can significantly lower the center of gravity, improving cornering stability and reducing body roll. Upgrading your braking system with performance pads, stainless steel lines, and high-temperature fluid ensures consistent stopping power, especially during spirited driving. For even sharper turn-in and reduced flex, consider aftermarket sway bars and stiffer suspension bushings. These changes transform the driving experience. For those seeking extreme power, advanced modifications like larger turbochargers, upgraded intercoolers, and enhanced fuel systems are available. However, always prioritize safety. Ensure all modifications are professionally installed and thoroughly tested on a dyno. Regular maintenance, including frequent oil changes and spark plug replacements, becomes even more critical with a tuned engine. Monitoring engine parameters with a data logger helps ensure longevity and optimal performance. Enjoy your enhanced M4 responsibly and safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.